You ever see a Ford F-150 sitting on 24 by 14 wheels and think, who actually drives these? Because that thing is so wide, you could mistake it for a monster truck trying to cosplay as a pickup. And yes, they'll rub on almost everything. The first pain you experience? The wallet punch. If you want 24 by 14 wheels and the required tires, expect to drop $4,000 minimum. Some brands inch north of $6,000 just for wheels and tires. You're always paying to play. It's a commitment, too. The process usually starts with a big suspension lift. 6-inch to 9-inch is standard. Why? Because 14 inches wide means your factory stance looks like it's wearing clown shoes. You literally have to raise up the entire truck or nothing fits. And here's the real-life inconvenience. Parking lots no longer love you. You might fit in a spot, but every curb becomes an enemy. Tight parking garages, random driveway dips, even your buddy's Taco Bell drive-thru, one wrong angle, and you're grinding your fancy wheels. You'll also find every pothole in the city, almost by magnetic attraction. Ride quality? It's a physics problem. Low-profile rubber on mega wheels absorbs absolutely zero bumps. If you value your spine or your teeth, you'll miss those stock tires. People building trucks on 24 by 14s don't always realize you're signing a tire-wearing contract. These setups chew through sidewalls and tread at an alarming rate. If you daily drive it, you'll be swapping tires faster than a pizza oven spins pies. And let's not pretend you get anonymous attention. Every gas station, every stoplight, people look, point, and either think you're a legend or wasting your money. Sometimes they literally walk up and ask for selfies. Visibility 100%, privacy 0. Want to tow anything? Get ready for the big compromise. Wide wheels can kill your towing setup. The extra leverage means more stress on your suspension and axles, plus less tire contact patch for actual grip. Pro tip, keep a second set of factory wheels if you haul. If you live somewhere that rains, like ever, these setups actually get riskier. Hydroplaning is a real deal, and wide wheels with slim tires mean less water channeling. Portland, my town, basically laughs at trucks on meets this big when it's wet out. Getting your speedo recalibrated is not optional. Even a 1 or 2 inch difference in rolling diameter throws it off by 5 to 10%. That's cop bait in most states, but also screws with your transmission shift points. Spend $80 for a quick shop tune and avoid headaches. The upside? The visual statement is undeniable. Statistically, people remember trucks on 24 by 14s at least twice as long as a stock F-150. If you want to stand out, this setup gets you noticed faster than an NBA player on a kid's bicycle. Some will say it's impractical, maybe even over the top, but if the goal is presence, nothing in the truck scene gets more head turns per mile. Just know you're trading ride quality, tire wear, and convenience for every double take and Instagram like. I get it. Rolling on 24 by 14s is more about expression than practicality. It's a big flex, literally and figuratively. If you choose this path, budget for maintenance, expect attention, and embrace a daily adventure that's always just a little bit extra.